here's the Dyson. See, it's pretty. It's got fuchsia. Matches my shirt. But anyway, I don't have the brush right now, but I'm just showing you. Here's the nozzle, $400. And anyway, I mean, I did use a brush, but basically, this is what you get for your $400. Or I get Lori Peters from My Hair Talking, and a mass of frizzy hair, not totally dry. 20 minutes later, pain in the ass. I just got a keratin treatment, and still not totally dry. So I wouldn't buy it. Keep your money. Go to a hairstylist.